Hello everybody, good morning. It is Sunday and I am doing an unboxing. I won a giveaway with my friend Sean Raven. I know her from boot camp. We were in boot camp together. So, let me see, just one second. She sent me this. This is the first thing I've won in my life. They are ketones, I guess. You drink these things and they put you into ketosis and you lose weight. And it clears your brain fog and you just feel better. You have more energy. So she sent me this. Hi everybody. And I'm going to show you what's in here. And I'm gonna drink one for the first time. I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. So she sent me the instructions. Oh, is that upside down? On how to purchase if I wanted to purchase these. And so that's talking about electrolytes and stuff. I should probably read this before I try it, but I'm too excited! Okay. So, what's this? This is what came in the pack, and it's so cute. She wrote my name on it, and she drew me a little flower. Just a minute, Liam. Okay, and it has Keto OS Max Heart Tart. I'm so excited. I've been so excited. I've been hearing great things about this and I can't wait to try it. Splash is the caffeine-free one. I think I'm gonna prefer the caffeine one, if you know what I'm talking about, because I need the energy. This is the Orange Dream. And the jellies. Oh my gosh, you guys, she sent me all these things for free because I won the giveaway. And this is like $50 worth or more of ketone drinks. Okay, so I want to make one. I want to make some. So let's try it. Just a minute, baby. You want to come see? Nah. There's Liam. He doesn't get any of this. Let's see. Okay, let's do the heart tart because it's charged. And I have a bunch of homework to do today that I need to get done today. So maybe this will help with my energy. Liam, what's that? What's that? Okay, so let's see. Mix their half-pan keto with the 10 ounces of Propel flavored water. Okay, so they want you to mix it with 10 ounces of water. So, got my little blendy cup. Whoops. Water. There's 16 ounces in here, so I'm not going to do all of it. They say to mix it with electrolyte water, which I don't have at the moment. So this will have to work. Okay, so that's about 10 ounces. That's mine, thank you. So I'm gonna shake it down because I don't want to waste any of this goodness. Oh, okay, it has directions right here. It says dissolve 1 packet in 12 to 16 ounces of cold water. Shake vigorously. It can be taken with or without food. So we're gonna, not yet, Liam, not yet. Sit down. Just a minute, lovey. See? I need this. I need this energy so I can get through the day with this little guy. Okay, half a packet. So, just gonna pour it in. Oh, dang it. Dang. Okay, that's it. I'm spilling it everywhere. I'm so mad. I don't want to waste it. And you can smell it. It smells really good. It smells like it's gonna be delicious. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it vigorously. Thank you so much, Sean Raven, for... Oh! Gotta close that. Thank you so much for giving me this trial. I really want to like it. I hope it's going to be good. I hope I'm going to like it so I can get more and continue on this journey to better health for myself and for my family. So, vigorously shaking this sucker. And then if you look at it, let's see. You can see it? Oh wait, that's the blender ball. But it's like kind of like a clear kind of drink. It looks like it has some kind of... Yeah, there's a ball. Some kind of carbonation in there. Okay, let me just clean this up a little bit and then we'll give it a try. Alright, here I go. This is heart tart, just mixed with water. No other electrolytes or anything yet, but next time when I make this drink, I'll mix it with electrolytes and then maybe a little flavoring. Oh, it's good. Nope, this is Mommy's. It tastes good. It tastes kind of like those packets of like beverage mix that you mix into water. It's good. If it gives me energy and helps me lose weight, then it's amazing. Well, I don't have that much battery left on my iPad, so that is the drink. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll direct you to my friend from boot camp, Sean Raven, and she'll help you out. All right. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
So cute.